Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was arrested without having their rights read. Let's see here. I was arrested for a DUI over the weekend. I refused the alcohol breath test, and I was arrested without having been read my rights. Well, first of all, the police do not have to read your rights if you're not under custodial interrogation. The police will often delay arresting you simply so that they don't have to read your rights and they can start asking you a pile of questions. The police can ask you as many questions as they want without reading your rights, as long as they haven't actually put you under arrest. Now, once you're under arrest, they can't ask you questions about the case. They can ask you questions about your name, date of birth, where you live, all that stuff. But they can't ask you questions about your case without Mirandizing you. Now, here's the deal. Let's say for some reason the police do arrest you and they do start asking you questions about the case. Well, if you don't answer their questions, there's no issue, no harm, no foul. And if you do, in fact, answer the questions, it still doesn't really make much of a difference unless you say something incriminatory. Now, if you say something incriminatory, it still doesn't mean that the case is going to be dismissed if they don't read your Miranda rights. It just means that anything that you said to them during your custodial arrest, if you do not get Mirandized, just cannot be used against you in court. But it doesn't mean that the case will be dismissed. A lot of people have this idea that they need to be read their rights at the moment of arrest when they cuff them. No, that's in the movie, that's in television. In real life, they only have to read your rights if you're under custodial interrogation. They're going to ask you questions about the case, and like I said before, even if they don't Mirandize you, it's not going to result in the case being dismissed. It's just going to result in anything incriminatory that you may have said during that specific interview not being introduced in evidence. But if in any other interview you're Mirandized and you make the same statements again, or if you give other incriminatory statements, well, then that's going to come in. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case with somebody who got accused of kidnapping his own son. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.